Hello dear friends of class 12th. In this lecture we will discuss if there are a number of charges or you can say system of charges, then how can we define net electric potential at any point P. Yesterday we have discussed about the electric potential due to a single point charge at a distance of small r, and the formula was Vp equals Q over 4 pi epsilon naught into R. If we look at this formula, we will find out that electric potential at any point is directly proportional to the amount of electric charge Q, and if we proceed away from the charged particle, electric potential decreases in form of 1 by R. Okay, dear friends, electric potential is a scalar quantity. Don't be confused with the positive and negative sign. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइन से कंफ्यूज आपको नहीं होना है. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एक्चुअली क्या है? यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से उस पॉइंट तक लाने में जो वर्क करना पड़ता है, आइदर बाय द फील्ड और अगेंस्ट द फील्ड. सो इफ वी आर डूइंग सम वर्क, मीन्स इफ फील्ड इज डूइंग सम वर्क इन ऑर्डर टू ब्रिंग द चार्ज पार्टिकल, then electric potential will be negative. पॉइंट चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से उस पॉइंट तक लाने में कोई वर्क करना पड़ता है बाय द फील्ड, इन दैट केस इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल नेगेटिव होगा. और यदि पॉइंट चार्ज अपने आप चला रहा है, मीन्स वर्क हमको रिसीव हो रहा है, इन दैट केस आपका इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जो होगा वो आपका पॉजिटिव होगा. समझ गए? सो टुडे वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट नेट इलेक्ट्रिc potential due to a system of charge. Dear friends, let there are system of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 dash 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 Qn, and from here there is a point P placed at a distance of R1, R2, R3 dash 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 Rn. Then the net electric potential at point P will be the algebraic sum of the individual electric potential produced by the electric charges. Therefore, first we copy down electric potential is a scalar quantity. So electric potential at a point due to a number of charges is algebraic sum of the potentials at that point due to the individual point charges. Net electric potential at point P, from the figure it is obvious, net electric potential V net equals V1 plus V2 plus V3 dash 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 Vn, where V1 is the electric potential due to point charge Q1, V2 is the electric potential due to point charge Q2. Similarly, Vn is the electric potential due to point charge Qn. So now just add V net equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, take common outside, Qn upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 dash 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 Qn upon Rn. Or you can say V net equals 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Qi upon Ri sigma I equals 1 to n. In this way we can find out the net electric potential. You have to use positive and negative sign for the positive and negative charges. Okay, don't forget. Thank you.